Let's now have a look at our role folder. So here you have divided by factions all the role settings, and you will have also macro counts limitations. So here you can find all the different type of count limitation for each roles and their parameters. You will find also the conditions. So here you have the require squad leader status with the blueprint implementation, for example. And you will find also actual enum for vehicle capabilities and the role tags. So the role tags are used right now to group roles into the deployment screen UI and into the ammo box. And this is also what will grant you some specific abilities as spawning with that role. Let's look quickly on the blueprint. So in example, to know if you are a medic, your blueprint will check if your role has a tag of medic. This is not anymore a setting that you will find here with an array of Boolean properties. Now our role settings are way smaller and way simpler to modify. So if we look at this US automatic rifle 2, you will find that these properties are still visible as legacy. This is what we have in the past, and this is what we have now. We have an automatic rifle number 2, which is a fire support role, which has a light machine gun with a scope. It has one version, which is used for all spawns, which will be with automatic rifleman. This blueprint directly linked. You will also find the inventory here with all weapons. If we look at a faction which has actually different skin depending on the time, let's look at Russians. So here on the Russians, you will see that we have 3 role versions. This is because the system allows you to either set one that we'll use as reference for everything, or alternatively you need to set every biome existing in the project. So for forest we have the regular Russians, for desert we have the desert skinned character, and for snow we have settled into using the European forest one. That lets you control which skin of the character will spawn depending on the biome of the level. And again we have our consistent fire support, light, machine gun, scope. So you can find a list of all tags in that enum. So you will find that some of them are related to scopes, some of them are related to the weapon itself, some of them are related to the actual role. This is supposed to be extended without limit, and you can request for new tags into the squad SDK request channel.